Hi there, thanks for coming back to my channel. My name is Mike Pitt. I make videos about marketing, business and crypto so you can grow your business, increase your profits and increase your portfolio. The title for today's video is, do you want to reach my audience? So this is a different sort of video. So if you subscribe to this channel because you want to watch my crypto videos, then I suggest you pause this video. I'll be very happy for you to continue watching, but pause this video and go to the crypto playlist and watch those. If you want to watch a general business video or marketing video, click on the business or content marketing and social media playlist and watch the videos there. This is a video directed towards companies, organizations, brands who would like to reach my audience. When I started out making YouTube videos, I'm not going to go back through all my history now, but when I started out a good few years ago, I was doing that really to impart my knowledge, expertise about marketing, about business, and just share knowledge so that people who weren't my direct clients could benefit from that knowledge and implement with their own brands and organizations. And that worked out very well, but my audience grew, particularly during the pandemic. So going into the pandemic, 2020, my YouTube audience was around 3,000. And then I realized that there was quite a growth spurt during the period of the pandemic, and now I'm at 18,600, approaching 19,000 on YouTube. But in addition to that, I've also grown my audiences on other platforms. So on Twitter, I have 20,000, YouTube's 18,600, as I said. LinkedIn, around 7,000 direct contacts, and I'll put references to all of these somewhere in the video or at the end of the video. I also have an audience of around 1,200 on TikTok and around 1,600 on Instagram. So I've become a micro-influencer, and I've worked with a number of brands who have wanted to reach my audience, and we've been very successful in being able to doing that. So I've created sort of dedicated sponsored videos, and this is not anything that's a secret, because on YouTube you obviously have to declare when you're doing a sponsored video. It says paid promotion, so you could just flick through some of my older videos and see some of the paid promotions. The point of this video is to say, if you're interested in reaching my audience, which is business professionals relating to marketing, but also a crypto audience, a very enthusiastic and engaging crypto audience, then obviously reach out to me and contact me via my email address, which is mike@marketingfundamentals.com, and I'll be happy to discuss any potential collaboration between myself and obviously your company, your organization, your project. As you'd expect, I will do my own sort of due diligence process. So I will look at, if it's a crypto project, I will look at the project and ensure that I'm happy with what the project represents and how it's set up, so that my audience can rest safe in the knowledge that I've done some sort of vetting before I work with any brand or organization or company, or promote any product or service or launch, etc. And the same goes for any project I work with that relates to business, and I've worked with a number of business organizations successfully and promoted their products and services. So that's it. If you want to reach my audience, reach me first. Let's negotiate. Let's arrange some sort of collaboration, and then I'll be happy to execute that for you. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to watch another video from me, click on the thumbnails that are on the screen now, and I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks.